The topic of discussion pertains to the price prediction of Wall Street memes. Is it possible that the price of WSM will double as a result of increased online attention? Alternatively, should investors seek out the next significant pre-sale opportunity within a 3-hour timeframe? The Wall Street means that the price of WSM is currently exhibiting a bullish bias. This observation follows a market breakout from a previously bearish technical pattern. Over the past 2 days, the value of this particular currency has risen by 30%, and within the last 24 hours, it has experienced a 25% increase in value, as reported by CoinMarketCap data. Additionally, trade volume has seen a 25% increase during the same period, indicating that investors continue to show enthusiasm for WSM. Despite the passage of several weeks, the popularity of memes related to Wall Street remains high even after their initial publication. During the pre-sale stage, Wall Street memes successfully achieved its initial fundraising goal of $25 million. This achievement was followed by a substantial and enthusiastic community of over 1 million individuals, as well as an impressive daily impression count that exceeded 40 million. Wall Street is a prominent subject matter and a significant contender within the meme currency ecosystem. Despite being listed on prominent Tier 1 exchanges like OKX, Gate.io, MEXC, CoinEx, and BitMax, among others, and having a substantial following of nearly 300,000 on Platform X, the number of impressions for the project continues to increase. The upcoming event, the Short Squeeze Challenge, is planned to take place on October 11th at 1800 hours Universal Time, Coordinated. This event will coincide with leveraged markets being accessible on OKX, MEXC, LB Bank, and CoinEx. Despite facing a rejection at the level of 0.051160, the price of Wall Street memes continues to exhibit an optimistic outlook as W exchanges price projections for such memes. The coin is well supported by the 150-day exponential moving averages, EMA, at levels of 0.468 and 0.433, indicating a downward trend. The current reading of the Relative Strength Index, RSI, indicator stands at 62, suggesting that the market is still under the influence of bullish sentiment. Despite briefly reaching the 71 level, it was subsequently rejected due to significant buying pressure, indicating that the stock, WSM, was overbought. However, if the RSI remains above 50, there is a higher likelihood of upward movement. This is further corroborated by the positive reading of the Awesome Oscillator, AO, which indicates that the bulls have a dominant position in the market. In a highly optimistic scenario, the presence of increased purchase demand might potentially propel the price of Wall Street memes beyond the immediate threshold of 0.516. The WSM cryptocurrency is potentially facing a significant resistance level at 0.564, which has historically prevented further price increases. If this barrier is surpassed, it could lead to a return to the psychological level of 0.0600, with the possibility of reaching the previous highs from late September above the psychological level of 0.07. Such a change would result in a substantial 50% increase from the current levels. However, it is worth noting that the internet buzz surrounding WSM remains strong, which may influence token holders' decisions. Some investors who acquired WSM at a price lower than 0.0400 may aim to capitalize on the current market euphoria and make a swift profit. In the worst-case scenario, the selling pressure that ensues might potentially cause the price of Wall Street memes to retreat towards the lower boundary of the downward parallel channel, specifically at the level of 0.353. The presence of Wall Street memes could potentially influence the valuation of the channel's midpoint, causing it to converge towards the significant psychological level of 0.0300. Meanwhile, another cryptocurrency, MK, warrants notice because to its significant impact on the market. It has emerged as a powerful contender in the cryptocurrency business, rivaling the popular viral frog coin. The term Pepe is a subject of interest within academic discourse.